Lake of the Pines is the ultimate vacation where you live lifestyle, and you're going to love this home that sits on the golf course with beautiful golf course views, incredible sunset views. There's a mature crepe myrtle tree right there. But as much as you're going to love the inside of this home, and I'm going to give you a full tour, if you lived here, you'd probably want to spend most of your time right here on this covered patio. Welcome to 13431 Torrey Pines Drive in Lake of the Pines. It's just over 2,900 square feet. There's beautiful French doors coming out to the patio here. There's a door off the living room coming out to the patio. It's fenced, so if you have dogs, you can keep them contained, or if you want to grow vegetables or flowers, it's nice to have a fence. You can take your golf cart and drive right onto the golf course there. You can take your golf cart and do a lap at night and watch the sunset. You could take your golf cart from here and go over to the clubhouse restaurant and have dinner. So this, whether you play golf or not, it's kind of fun to have a golf cart and cruise around here in Lake of the Pines. I'm going to give you a full tour of this home, so let's go around to the front door and start there. When you first walk in, you notice high ceilings, incredible natural light. The sellers put this really beautiful feature wall in here. It has a great flow, so let's go walk through the whole house. We are going to start out going to see the living room and dining room, but I just want to point out before I do that, there's a beautiful sitting room over here, and you could also put your dining room table at the end of this room as well, whichever you prefer. This actually goes through to the kitchen. It's a full circle, so either space works well. They just happen to have it here, and it looks really beautiful here as well. So when you come in the front door and make a hard right, it goes into this room, which could be an office if you work from home. It could be a guest room for guests. It could be a bedroom. There's no closet, but you could put an armoire. It could be a workout room. So it's just a great little room to have downstairs to use however you would like. Before we walk around, I just want to mention there were new floors put in about 3 years ago, and for the stairs and upstairs, new carpet about 1 year ago, and new interior paint about 1 year ago. So this is a great space for the dining room table because you can fit a really big table here. There's this buffet area over here with cabinets, and then around the corner over here is more counter space and a little sink. So this is a really nice, big, spacious living room. It looks out onto the beautiful views of the golf course. I love the touch of the wooden shelves and the wooden mantle with the natural edge. It really is lovely. You come around here to the open concept kitchen. The kitchen has a new cooktop, new double ovens, a new butcher block countertop, and a walk-in pantry. The window above the sink is extra large, so you have a beautiful view of the golf course, as well as just windows lining this entire wall here. If I wasn't out on the patio having my morning tea, I would definitely be sitting here looking at this view. And then if you come through this doorway, you will see this is the other area where I was saying you could put a dining room table. That would be a good spot for it as well. You've got the French doors going out onto the back patio, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is a very functional floor plan. So when you come in the front door and come around here to the right, there is a full bathroom and a laundry room. And the laundry room has a sink as well. And this is where you would come in if you were coming in from the garage. So if you're parking in the garage and coming in with your groceries, you just come right in here through to the kitchen. I love the expansiveness of this floor plan, where with the high ceilings and the windows that go really high, it just makes it feel open and light and bright. And when you come to the top of the stairs, this comes into the primary bedroom. This also overlooks the golf course. There's a little patio right out there. There's high ceilings in the bedroom as well. For those of you couples that want your own walk-in closet, you have that here. There's a walk-in closet on each side, and this used to be open. They put a wall here, which I love, and created a door so that if someone's in the bathroom at night and you're trying to sleep, you can close the door and have it quiet. And they put this really neat barn door here on this side, and there's a mirror on it. Barn door with the mirror as well as the shoe rack. You have a nice big soaking tub, a shower, a toilet closet, high ceilings, and double sinks. Okay, I'm just coming out of the primary bedroom, coming down the hall. It's a very functional floor plan. The first door on my left is a bedroom. The first door on my right is a really big size walk-in linen closet. The next door on my left is another bedroom, and the door on my right is a very generous size bathroom with a tub, a shower, double sinks, a toilet room, and just lots of space. And I love at the end of the hall, there's a beautiful circular window to let in light. You know how sometimes hallways are dark? That's not the case in this house. And we can't forget the garage. So it's a nice sized garage. There's a parking spot for your golf cart, of course. It's hard to see from here, but there's storage racks up there to put your Christmas items and things like that. There's lots of parking out here. So if your family's going to come visit for Thanksgiving dinner, and why wouldn't they want to come visit you at Lake of the Pines? There's plenty of places for them to park. And I love the front of this house. I love the entry walking up to the house. It has this kind of grand feeling because the front door is really tall. So when you walk up, it just has a really good feel. I mean, look how high the porch ceiling is. It's just, the whole house is like that. It's got this spacious, open, nice feeling to it. Lake of the Pines isn't just a beautiful lake community, it's a true lifestyle. This private, gated neighborhood is centered around a stunning 230-acre lake and offers an incredible variety of amenities. Residents enjoy boating, kayaking, paddleboarding, swimming, and fishing, along with an 18-hole championship golf course, pickleball and tennis courts, a community pool, a marina, parks, beaches, playgrounds, and miles of scenic streets perfect for walking, biking, or taking your golf cart to visit a friend or have dinner at the clubhouse restaurant overlooking the lake. One of the things that really makes Lake of the Pines special is its incredible sense of community. Throughout the year, you'll find concerts on the lake, holiday celebrations, 4th of July fireworks, fishing derbies, golf tournaments, pickleball leagues, and countless events that bring neighbors together. There are more than 40 clubs, groups, and activities for all ages and interests. So whether you're raising a family, working remotely, enjoying retirement, or looking for a second home, there are endless opportunities to connect with others, from youth programs and teen activities to fitness classes, boating clubs, dancing, gardening, arts and crafts, card groups, live music, wine tasting, and so much more. If you're relocating from another area, Lake of the Pines is a wonderful place to build friendships and feel connected. It's a place where neighbors become friends, families create lifelong memories, and every season brings something new to enjoy. It's more than just a neighborhood, it's a community. So here we are, back at the front door where we started. I enjoyed giving you this tour. If Lake of the Pines and a golf course home has been your dream and you want to make it a reality, all my contact info is below.